Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, we're going to do an exercises for our side fats. So I have side fats. See? So let's begin using this pen. Ang ginawa ko lang ito guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So that is it guys. At hindi lang pala yun for side fats, for arms also, and fats in here. As you can see, this one here, it can help remove it. Dahil ang aking bra ibang style guys, kaya umaano yan dyan.